Only males watch this video please. When a woman reached orgasm with a man, then she ... by Ella Chase. Hey and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. Oral sex is one of the most intimate sex acts you can take part in, and many ways. It can feel more intimate than penetrative sex. Yes, orgasm can be an incredible feeling that allows you to fully take advantage of your anatomy, and surrender to all the joys that can lead up to your climax. But whether you orgasm at all, you have multiple orgasm during sex. It's just part of the pleasure-filled journey, not the culmination or result. It is a vulnerable act in which you relinquish control of your most private and sensitive body part to your partner. Being in better tune with our sense helps to release some of our inhibitions and embrace the more open and playful parts of ourselves. Owning your sexiness builds confidence and encourages boldness in our everyday lives. When you feel sensual, you are better able to feel sexy. And when you feel sexy, you're feeling positive. And I think we can all agree that feeling positive makes a huge difference in our daily lives. Each of our bodies is unique. We may share the same basic makeup as men and women, but we certainly don't feel everything the same. What feels good on your body may not always feel good on someone else's body, and that is absolutely natural. So it is with sexual pleasure. Sure, I can show you the positions that work best if you're A+ size women. But none of it will help you enjoy sex if you don't know how to perceive and extract pleasure from your own body. And I'm not just talking about orgasm. The first step to experiencing sexual pleasure is knowing how our bodies are built to give us pleasure, so we can take advantage of all they have to offer. Continuously ask yourself, what makes me feel confident, comfortable, grounded, joyful, connected, and mischievous? Start noticing when you feel that way and why. Sexual arousal and foreplay. If we're to believe that what we see in movies, our sexual rendezvous would consist of 10 seconds of kissing, 5 seconds of groping, and another 5 seconds closing the deal. A straightforward sex scene doesn't commonly show the female arousal process. And a lot of the time, this process is key in order to have a really satisfying sexual experience. Fooling around a lot before part A goes into slot B gets the female body prepped for sex in very important way. Lube helps to prevent micro tears on the delicate skin in and on the genitals, which leave us vulnerable to sexually transmitted infections. Lube also makes the friction between your vagina or anus and whatever is being inserted silky and comfortable, as well as aids in smooth and non-grating hand sex. For the curvy gal, a wand like the original magic wand is essential because of its length and strength. It can navigate over a large stomach to reach the clit with ease. Another reason a wand is a fantastic tool to keep close is that girls with big tummies can tuck the handle of the wand under their soft belly to hold it in place during missionary-style sex. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.